Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can turn on the dark color theme on Google search in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to google.com or Google search in the web browser you're using. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. So guys, here on google.com, what you want to do next is navigate to your search setting, not the browser settings here on Google Chrome, because that's a different theme settings. For example, if you change these on Google Chrome, the color or the color theme for these menus on Google Chrome will change, but not necessarily the color theme here on google.com. As you can see, that's the dark one here, right? So click into settings here on google.com and either enable dark theme here, or you may navigate to your search settings. Here in search settings, navigate to other settings and turn on or turn off the dark theme. Confirm, and as you can see, I switched back to the light theme and back to dark theme. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.